Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how to use this planning document really quickly because I'm not going to be here. I'm probably not there in class on Monday, and Dale's going to come in next class to help you kind of get started. So this is how the planning document works. Remember, this can be accessed through the Unit 2 website underneath Transformations project, but there should be a printed version for you also ready. So if you want to do it digitally, you can, like I did, or you can do the printed version. But let me just quickly run through how we're going to use this planning document. First thing you want to do, even before you get to here, is sketch out what you want your design to look like. And it can be anything. I just did this little emblem really quickly. Because I thought it was quick, easy, and I wanted to show you how to use it. So you do your design however you want to do it, and you lay it out exactly the way you are going to have it in your final product. And for today, you might not know exactly where it's going to be in the final product, but you want to have a really good plan. And if that plan changes, that's fine, but the idea is that you're going to show me transformations. And so once you have this laid out, then you're going to fill out this. You want to label your coordinate grid, draw the original positions of the images and label it appropriately, and draw the ending positions of the image after the transformation and label it. So I'm going to label this A prime, and A prime prime. Okay, just so you know the difference. And I'm going to label a couple points. Let me label this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. And this one would be, I'm going to make it right there. They should be the same size. 7, 8, 9, 0. I'm going to label this point here, that is 8, 2, and I'm going to label this point here 8, negative 2. You can see right in here there is a lot I could say. I could say that this is a line of reflection. I could say that down the MWs is a line of reflection. I can say there's a rotation in here already. So there's a lot that I could use just off of one of these, but I'm going to use this whole thing as image A. And how do I go from A to A prime? That's what I want to describe. And so for me to do it, I'm actually going to take this whole thing and rotate it around the origin 0, 0. And if I do that, this is going to rotate up here. Okay, so that would be my first rotation. And if I rotate it around the origin, all of these points, 90 degrees, and I'm going to do 90 degrees counterclockwise, so I'm going to do a 90-degree rotation. All of these points are going to transfer. So let me show you what that would look like. A rotation, my pre-image was 8, 2, let me do this. Pre-image name is A, image name, A prime, original coordinates, 8, 2, 7, 0, 9, 0, and what was the other one? 8, negative 2, that's right. A reflection. 8, negative 2. Sorry for the sloppy writing. So in my rotation, my new points are going to be 2, 8, 0, 7, 0, 9, and negative 2, 8. Is it going to be negative 2? So that's going to be, yep. And that should work. And these are actually flip-flops. So this one should be negative 2, 8, and this should be positive 2, 8, but it would give me the same because of the reflection. And my point of rotation is 0, 0. The rotation direction and degree is counterclockwise. and it is 90 degrees. And you could do that for any of those. So for reflection, line of reflection, let's go back here, and I'll do this one in red so it's easy to see. And I'm going to say that this is going to be my line of reflection for my M and W. So the line of reflection is x equals 0. It's the origin. Then I would have to name my points. I'm going to reflect this point, which is -2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this point, which is -2, 1, 2, 3, 4. -4. That's my reflected point. So when I go down here, reflection, this was A prime to A prime actually. Original coordinates was -2, 8. Oh, sorry, -2, 4. My new coordinates is -2, -4. And so this is a basic, like, 4, if you just give me this. I'm going to talk a little bit more about multiple transformations and how you're going to describe those. But this planning document here will allow you to create your design. And then that way Mr. Plotzy can help you next class or on Friday, depending on when he comes in. I hope this helps, and I will see you when I see you.